Hi everyone, just want to do a review on this wall mounting system that I've purchased. I'm actually going to buy at least one, if not two more. I'm trying to organize my garage with, brooms and gardening supplies, and this is the perfect thing for it. So as you can see, it comes with, first of all, it comes with these tracks. You mount them. It has the screw holes behind here. Then it comes with a rubber padding to cover it up. It's made very, very nice, very sturdy. It comes with 4 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these kinds. If you're not aware, these things are super heavy and it's holding it no problem. I have them, you could probably string them across if you like, straight. I have one a little higher in the back, as you can see. And I left this one off purposely just to show you how easy it is to take off and put on. It's spring loaded. You just grab it like that, take it off, put it back on, and that's it. Very good quality. They look nice. You can also come with anchors if your garage or wherever you're putting it, utility room is drywalled, you can anchor it in. As you can see, mine are studs right now, so just wood, so I just use the screws. But like I said, very good quality, easy to use, easy to take off, put on. And these could store more than one item. As you can see right here, you still have some space, so you could do a couple brooms or something right there if you're looking for something to organize your garage and get that stuff off the floor.